Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This week I will be using a kit called Chill Nights from HeySoulSticker, and it has this gorgeous lavender foiling which makes it so unique since kits are usually foiled with the classic gold, rose gold, or silver. So here I am just laying down the date covers on each day. And I love the colors that Ada chose for this kit. It has purples and pinks, which are my favorite colors. And it also has this beautiful artwork that she did with the ombre sky and clouds and also the outdoor patio. This kit was perfect for memory planning this week in November since it started to get chilly where I live. Next, you'll see me pull out some washi tape from my collection to match with this kit, but I didn't end up using it in the spread. It was just more of a photo prop since I didn't have any space. But this washi tape from Simply Gilded's Galaxy collection matched so well, and the colors was just spot on. Now I'm laying down the washi tape that came with the kit, and I couldn't find my X-Acto knife, so I tried to rip it like regular washi with my ruler, but it ended up with a fuzzy edge, so I just trimmed that off with some scissors. And since this kit is designed for a standard vertical planner, the washi tape doesn't fit my B6, so I just did some washi surgery and added the leftover part from the other side to the left side. And now you can't really tell that I added this extra piece, and it kind of reminds me of that TikTok that goes, "How would they know?" But yeah, I've been too into TikTok lately. But as you can see, at first I tried to pull in that bow washi tape, but since I already drew out my layout beforehand, I just decided to use the glitter washi tape that came with the kit. And the pen that I used is actually the pink metallic Jelly Roll pen and not the purple one that I showed. And I got confused because the two pens are very similar in color. So moving on to Monday's plans, I put down this fork and knife sticker, and I don't really remember where this sticker is from, but I put that down so that I can mark that I had lunch at home before heading to work. And these work script stickers are from my shop. I hand lettered them, and I layered that over a quarter box. And usually before I start a spread, I would lay down all of the full boxes as a foundation, but I totally forgot to do that. So here you'll see me cutting up the boxes, which helps me visualize where I want a certain box to be at. And now I'm just playing around with the pieces that I just cut out. I usually have a strategy to this. If a box is busy on one day, the next box I usually want it to be less busy, and yeah, that's usually how I spread out the full boxes for all my spreads. So now going back to Monday, I put down this Dancing with the Stars sticker, and I also put down this Sad Munchkin sticker from Once More with Love because the contestant, Jeannie Mai, who had to self-eliminate due to health reasons, and I was super bummed about that because I was voting for her every week. After the show, I put down this cute character sticker from Whimsical Cat Studio, and I used that to mark down that I had to edit a plan with me. Moving on to Tuesday, I put down this pho sticker from HeySoulSticker as well. She makes very cute food stickers, and I layered that on top of a flag to mark that I ate some noodles at home. And I've been trying to eat at home lately so that I can save money, but I've been running out of ideas on what to eat for lunch. It's usually just the same thing. I usually make noodle soup or some sandwiches. So yeah, let me know what's your favorite thing to eat for lunch. Then I had to go on Zoom for that day, so I put down a cute pink laptop sticker, and then I used a cozy up emoji sticker from the Coffee Monsters Co. to mark down that it was starting to get very cold. And then finally, this day was also election day, and I put down another character sticker from Whimsical Cat Studio, and that was my current mood all day since it was still undecided. Then on Wednesday, I ordered some takeout before work, and so I put this support local sticker for my shop onto a half box. And I also put down this kawaii noodle sticker since I ordered some noodle soup. And my sister has been obsessed with It's Okay Not to Be Okay, which is a Korean drama on Netflix. If you haven't watched it, it's really good. And she wanted me to help her vote for them, the main actors, so that they can win an award. So I put this Korean finger heart sticker down. Then I used a scallop heart checklist from the kit to write down some of the to-dos that I had for work. Usually I just have to sign on Zoom and tutor kids, but because it was the beginning of the month, I had to do other things such as prep their homework and do some monthly data. Moving on to Thursday, I started on the bottom of the day and put down this bachelorette sticker that I hand lettered, and I wrote down that Claire and Dale got engaged. And then I had this leftover space, so I pulled in some of the glitter headers in the kit and filled that in. Then I'm going back to the top of the day to put down a work sticker and this cute character sticker from Very Cute Designs. And it was also a very busy day. And then in this quarter box, I put down that I played Pokemon Go. I did some raids for Lugia. Moving on to Friday, I put down this cute munchkin sticker who's throwing a desk because that was how I felt that day. It was very busy at work and I think we were short staffed, so it was just a crazy and long day, and I wrote that I survived. And then when I got home, I made some burgers, so I put this cute burger sticker from Paper and Milk, and it's super cute with the bear bun. Then after that long day, I just binged on Netflix, and the sticker is from my shop, and then I KO'd. Then moving on to Saturday, I put down this happy moment sticker and put down the new president and vice president. I also tried a new drink recipe that day, which is banana milk, and I got this recipe from Boba Guys, which is a local boba shop to me. They have a recipe book of all these different drinks and boba. Banana milk is actually a Korean drink that comes in a juice box with a straw, and I got the flavor down, but the texture was a bit off because for this recipe you have to blend the bananas and it was not very smooth. So yeah, I definitely will have to try that recipe again. And then moving on to Sunday, I had to clean my room, so I used this emoji stickers to mark that. And it was still very chilly, so I put a bundle up sticker from Once More with Love. And that's all I have for this video. Make sure to check the description for shop links, or you can check on my Instagram. And I hope you enjoyed watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.